Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are at Street Techniques here in Pelzer, South Carolina. I'm getting my exhaust done on the Conquest. Walk you over here and show you what's going on. So again, we're here at Street Techniques. Got a couple cars out here. Shop. Walk over here, they're working on the exhaust. Couple Z's. MR2s. Not too sure what year this is, but Toyota Soar. Right-hand drive MR2. Little Ducati. There she is on the lift. Another MR2. Working on full exhaust. So I'll post up a video when it's all done. Alright, quick little update. Exhaust fully done. Just gotta finish welding it up. Again, we're at my friend's shop, Street Techniques, in Pelzer, South Carolina.
Go ahead.
Hey guys, we're back. Just wanted to give an update on the car. Haven't posted in a while. Had some issues with the car that I'll go over with you. But the car is put back together. My shift knob finally came in from the Grannas, the 6-speed Tremec shift knob. Got that installed. Shifter boot from the factory back on. Fits nicely on there. And just the car's outside. Had some issues with the master cylinder. I actually thought that I was going to have to pull the transmission back out due to it, but it ended up actually being the master cylinder was leaking here. Every time I would try to bleed it, it was just kind of sucking in air, letting a little bit of fluid out, but mostly sucking in air. And every time I would go to bleed it, it would just kind of push air out of the bleed line, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. I thought maybe I had the adjustment on the bearing off, and that was causing the bearing to travel too much, but it actually ended up being this master cylinder. So glad that's done and over with, and was able to figure that out. So the car is back up and running. It's outside right now. Got the drive shaft installed. Let's see if I can get under here and show you. Not from this side. I'll go on the other side. There we go. So it's hard to see, but the car's outside now. It's got the drive shaft on. It runs and drives. Actually went for a drive a couple days ago, and actually went over to my buddy's shop, Street Techniques, and he made me a full exhaust. So went there and got rid of the 3-inch downpipe and stepped it up to a 3.5-inch downpipe, all custom made, Marmon flange, 3.5-inch pie cuts, and got the flex pipe down there. And I don't know if you can see, but the connection for the downpipe is down at the bottom there, so that I can access it and take off the downpipe easily. But it's 3.5 all the way down, and then all the way back. Nice pie cuts there. You can see them, nice welds again there, and it goes all the way to the back. No muffler, no resonator, but comes all the way back here underneath the IRS, and I'll give you guys a cool start. All the way back, idling, and pretty cold right now. I haven't driven it in about 2 days, so it takes a couple minutes to warm up with the E85, but now she's idling good. So there you have it. It's running. I'll post a quick little video here of it on the highway. The other day I ran into a single cab Silverado, or maybe a GMC Sierra, I don't remember what it was, but it was a single cab LS Silverado with a twin turbo on 3 kit. Just ran into them after getting the exhaust done. We had a couple runs, so I'll just post a quick little video here of one of the runs. Gave him about a truck length head start just to kind of mess around. I was on setting, I think 4 of my 6 available settings for the boost. So here's a quick little video.
I'll tell you when.
So there you have it. She's up and running. I'll post a video in a few days. We'll go for a drive, shift through all the gears, and just kind of go over the RPM range at the miles per hour. Just kind of give kind of a review of the Grannas T56 install on this car. The only complaint I have right now is the rear end gear is a little bit not perfect. It's a 354 So I need to get a 355 in there, and I'll be pulling that down here soon. But here's another shot of the exhaust. I already have the 390 gear, just need to install it. So, and then she's up and running, so we'll go for a drive in a few days. I'll give you guys a quick little sneak peek, no peeking, of what's coming up here soon on the channel. Here you go. I don't know if you can tell, but that's just a sneak peek. And just stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for the next project. Should be starting here in the next couple days. I'll do an introduction video of the project, post a you know, parts list, engine that's going in it, and we'll just go over the build a little bit before I get started. But just stay tuned and keep an eye out for what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Bye.